In a world that moves fast, beauty deserves to move faster. Powered by a super fast 2000-watt BLDC motor at 70,000 RPM, dry your hair up to 60% faster. Engineered for every moment, every mood, every pace. Ionic Technology for smoother, shinier hair every single time. Smart enough to protect, intelligent enough to remember. Lightweight, low noise, high performance. Power that never compromises. Precision that never slows down. Pace, beauty at the speed of power.